Good morning, dear students. How are you all? Today, in this video lecture, we are going to cover two topics of your syllabus in the unit of cigar. Now, what in the previous lectures we have learned about the types of cigar, parts of cigar, shapes of the cigar. Okay. Now, in the next topic, we are going to learn about the storage of the cigar. That you all know that cigar is very essential in our hospitality industry. Any guest can order or demand the cigar. So we have to purchase the cigar and store it on us. So if we need to store it. We all have to know about the proper storage of how can we store the properly store the cigar. So cigar is made up of the tobacco leaves in which the little bit of percentage of moisture will still remain. So because of this, and tobacco leaves have the tendency to absorb any type of thing and react to it. So we have to be very cautious and very careful about the storage. So the first and basic things which we have to kept in mind is cigar should be stored in the temperature which varies between 15 degrees Celsius to 18 degrees Celsius. The temperature must vary between these range if we need to store the cigar. Any type of rapid fluctuation or rapid change in temperature or in the sense of smell and odor or in the sense of moisture content or dry heat, it will compromise the quality of cigar. So no rapid change in temperature, no rapid odor or bad smell or rotten smell near the cigar, no rapidly undergo with the process of dry heat. So we need to avoid these all things, and in order to avoid these all things, basically the dry heat part and the excess moisture part, the humidor. A humidor is a box in which we are going to place the cigar inside it. Okay, a box in which we place the cigar is simply called humidors. Okay, now humidors is made up of the cider wood and it comes in many shapes and sizes according to the cigar quantity we have to put in it. Okay, next, in the humidor there is a strip which was already fixed in the humidor itself. If the environment, if the ambience, if the outer temperature of the outer temperature outside the humidor is very dry, okay, is very dry. So what we can do, we have to put one pad into the humidor. Okay, we have to put one pad into the humidor which was a wet pad, okay, or moist pad. So because of the moist pad, the moisture inside the humidor will be maintained and in a right proportion so that the cigar will not damage itself up. Now, next thing, if we reverse the condition, okay, in this condition we have assumed that there is a dry heat in outside the area. If suppose we have the excess moisture inside and outside the environment of humidor, then what we can do, simply we add a dry pad into the humidor. The dry pad will absorb the excess moisture present around the humidor and humidor and the environment. So because of this, it will get very easy to maintain the cigar's quality. Okay, now next thing, if suppose cigar is always put in the wrapper, okay, now because of the dry heat, a white powder will already made on the wrapper of the cigar. So it is very simple. It is because of the heat mold. It is because of the heat mold which will get reacted, and a white powder line will be made up on the outside or the wrapper of the cigar, but it will be easily peeled off by a soft brush and it will not damage the quality or either taste or either smell of the cigar. Now, next thing, if we need to store the cigar for a very long time, we are going to put it upside down, okay, so that the porous part of the cigar will be upside, so that it can breathe a little bit. Okay, now these points comes under the topic storage of cigar. First one is we have to store the cigar in the temperature which varies between the 15 to 18 degree Celsius. Second, the box in which we put the cigar is called humidor. Humidor had already attached a pad. Either it will be a moist pad or a dry pad in order to maintain the humidity or control the temperature inside the humidor box. Now, if the heat will increase, it will be simply a heat mold. Because of the heat mold, a white powder, a white line evolve in the wrapper of the cigar. It will be easily peeled off by the soft brush. Next, we have to store the cigar for a long time. We have to put it in the upside down position because so that it can breathe. Okay. Now, second part is your preparing and lighting of the cigar. If some guest has already ordered the cigar, what preparation we have to make on the cigar? Okay. Now, first one is very simple. We all know that on the head side of the cigar, I have already told you, near the bend, whatever the side is near the bend is called head, and on the head there is one cap was attached. So first we have to do we need to remove this leaf cap. In second stage, we need to make a cut. We need to make an incision. Incision is of two types. One is V shape, second is straight cut. V shape cut, V cut or straight cut. Okay. Is the guest will choose the cut and told you, we have to ask the guest, sir, which type of cut you need to get in the cigar. Whatever he will tell you, you will make that cut in the cigar. Second thing, we need to torch or light the cigar either by wooden match or cider wood or a gas based lighter. Either wooden match, either cider wood or gas based lighter. Okay, because cigar and tobacco will easily absorb any type of odor. So because if we torch it by the wood or the cider match or either by the gas lighter, it will not destroy its taste. But if opposite of this, if we use any type of petroleum based lighter, it will simply and solely ruins the flavor of the cigar. So you need to keep this thing in your mind. So we have covered the two topics. First is your storage of cigar and second second one is preparation and lighting of the cigar. In your next lecture, we are going to learn about the service of the cigar, and that's it. The whole unit will be covered. The notes will be sent in your group soon. So, if you have any suggestions, you can call me or message me directly in the office hours. Thank you very much and have